I lost 180 pounds. Let's start living life. This is life after weight loss. Good morning. I'm cheating on you. I have already hey lady. I already cut up my peppers and my yellow onions. I ain't gonna show you. That's yellow onions. This is some, I'm gonna use these at lunchtime with my steak or at brunch time with my steak. So, what do I have left down there? In the refrigerator, I have 3 cabbages and 2 sun-dried tomatoes. Uh-oh, that's my laundry timer. Hang on. All right, so I just cooked up 2 eggs and where'd it go? Oh, 2 pork bellies. So hang on just a second. Definitely eating while standing today. And actually, what I think I'm gonna do is cut up the pork belly. Ow, it's hot. You can't see me. I know it's all right. You'll be all right, I promise. Ain't nothing exciting happening over here. Ow! Except I'm burning myself. So I cut up my pork belly in bites. And then this is 2 eggs. Try not to spill the stuff that's in there. So, yeah. I'll take a bite of my egg. Because I got stuff to do today, so we can't be dilly-dallying. And then, it's going to burn, but... Oh, I'm going to put just a few tomatoes on here. 5 tomatoes. So, 2 eggs, 2 slices of pork belly, and 5 tomatoes. That's going to be breakfast. Gotta go. Laundry's ready to change over. Love y'all. See you next thing. And this is twice I've cheated on you. I didn't take y'all with me to Walmart yesterday. And I'm not taking y'all with me to cut up veggies. I know. I'm cheating on you. But I love y'all. I really do love y'all. I'm just like not sharing today. Okay, bye. Check it out. It's getting serious. I had forgotten about this ninja thing that I got when Mom was doing her thing last fall. Look at this. That is the perfect texture. Actually, I could do it a little bit thinner. But it is a good... Hear that? Sorry. Anyway, that's a perfect texture. Like I said, I could maybe do them a little bit thinner if I felt like it. But this, I am so excited. I had forgotten about this. So I'm going to do these 4. I'm going to do these 3 as slices. And this one, like I said, it's getting serious. I had almost forgotten how I used to do my meal prep. So those 2 are going to go in here because I'll use them for salads and I'll pulverize them. So this is going to slice, and then I'll show you this when I'm done. I'm so excited. I had forgotten all these things about the bagel. All right, so the Ninja does the slicing. Now look what does the pulverizing. It's a Fabio Viviani. Anyway, Miss Gloria got this from, a monkey. QVC. But I've seen something similar on Amazon. It is when it's done, you just have the container, the lid, and the blade that gets washed. So literally just 3 things. But now look what it gets washed whenever you, So that's a lot of space. But now watch what happens. I won't make you listen long, but watch. All right, now I'll show you when it's done. Say you want big pieces. That's big pieces. That's perfect for salad. I can't remember, why did I used to do it really fine, you guys? For those of you who watched me for a long time, what was it that I was doing when I wanted it really, really fine? I don't remember. Anyway, this is perfect for a salad. So I'm gonna do the rest of this. All right, so this was 2 rutabagas, y'all. So mine are like, we're just gonna round up and say $4 per rutabaga. So I had a really big one and then another one that was like medium. So, and if you're a hungry family, look at that. You saw that was that was probably the equivalent of 1 medium. or maybe two meat. I don't know. Anyway, so 2 rutabagas, and I'm going to get a lot of meals out of this. So, yeah, this is last me 2 weeks. Those will be for my salads, and that'll be for, I don't know, whatever else I do. I got my water running because I'm trying to heat it up before I start my dishwasher. It's been a good day. Not like, oh, I got so much done, but I got enough done that I'm happy. I can see, what all did I do? I made my gelatins to put in the freezer. I made my creamies. I had to make 5 of them. I organized my stand-up freezer, not my chest freezer. I mean, there's stuff in the chest freezer. I saw a video the other day where you can order stuff to organize your chest freezer, but I want something. I'm wanting to organize my stand-up freezer. So I have these plastic containers. Let me tell you what I've been doing. I have these plastic containers, and they're 16 inches deep, which is good, and they're 7.5 inches tall, which is great. And I think they're, I don't know, 10, I don't know, whatever inches wide. And they fit good, but here's the downfall. You cannot, okay, let me phrase that. Well, yeah, these are cheapies, so they don't have, they're not like really solid plastic. They are cheapy. So what happens is they freeze and then they break. So I've had like about 5 or 6 of them in my freezer, and then I'll reach in or I'll bump it or I'll set it down too hard on my counter and it cracks and it breaks. So it's like I'm thinking I want something like that, and it can be I guess metal. I don't know. So anyway, so I haven't started that Google search. I mean, I did look it up once, but the one I looked up, it was only 5 inches deep, and mine's like 7.5 inches deep. So I want it deep. But anyway, so like, yeah, so that's, as I was organizing, that's what I'm finding. I want something that I can, like put stuff in and kind of pull it out to grab stuff out of. Because like I said, those plastic ones, they worked. Well, I have a new one in there. No, I didn't put the new one in because I have a broken one in there. A couple of them. And I love them, but they just keep breaking. So I need to find that. So I organized, squirrel. I organized my stand-up freezer a little bit. And then, what else did I do? Oh, made my creamies. And I made my gelatins. Did 3 loads of laundry. And now I've been playing Witcher all day. It's Witcher 3. I first started playing with the PlayStation in 2016. Anyway, somewhere back then. And this was the first game my goddaughter talked me into getting, and I love it. So what are we having for supper? Well, listen, I'm not having a creamy. And I have a seems logical reason. Because it's too much. I mean, I have too much food. So I went to Walmart yesterday and I bought a sweet potato. And on this sweet potato, I have some butter and I have some cinnamon. And I found in my pantry, some stevia brown sugar, I think? Yeah, stevia brown sugar. Truvia, stevia, whatever that is. So I'm going to have a sweet potato. I know it ain't perfect, but that's all right. I wanted it. And we're living. We got to live sometimes, y'all. And it's not like I'm eating a candy bar or a bag of chips or ding-dongs or ho-hos. It's a sweet potato. I'm just scraping all the stuff off. Did y'all eat the sweet potato skin? I never did. I don't think I did. I did it different this time. Usually what I do is I take the sweet potato and I cut it up and then I kind of steam it in a bowl. But this time, I asked my Alexa, and she had me poke holes in it with my fork. Hang on. Never mind, Alexa. She thought I was talking to her.
What are you looking for?
Nothing.
I'm right here.
Alexa, never mind. Thank you, though. Anyway.
You're welcome.
So I poked it with a fork and microwave. I think it was like about 7 minutes. I have a low watt microwave. But on it, like I said, butter, cinnamon, and that stevia, truvia, brown sugar. So, that's just the skin right there. So that's that. Now, I'm gonna have a great stevia. Did I tell you? Yeah, I'm not having a creamy. Later on, I'll probably have one of my frozen gelatins. Then I took one of my roast steaks. That's Judy called it. My roast steaks. First, I took some onions, peppers, and mushrooms, and I sauteed that in my skillet. And then I added a little red wine and a little balsamic vinegar. And then I cooked one of my chuck roll steaks, and I cut it 3 ways. So I have 3 servings, and then so I also spread out the onion and pepper and mushrooms. I separated that into 3 servings. What I did was I cooked the steaks most of the way. Or I thought it was most of the way, but then I got my scissors out, cut it into bite-sized pieces. So that way, you know, I can take it to work and not have to cut anything. Anyway, so I did it. I cut it up into bite-sized pieces, and then I put it all back in the skillet. So that way it was all heated up at the same time, and any excess flavors, they all kind of married together in my skillet. Yum, yum, in my tummy, tum, tum. So, I don't know what you got going on. I don't have a lot going on. Anyway, I'm going to play my Witcher, and I'm going to eat. And, yeah. Do I have anything to tell you, really? No. It's a good day. Tomorrow I got kids' church, so I'll tell you how it goes. All right, bye.